This is a map of the world's shipping lanes, showcasing the intricate network of maritime routes that connect our modern world through global trade. Although some of these routes were established in more recent times, such as the Suez and Panama Canals, most of these oceanic highways were charted long ago, in an age where there was no reliable way of navigation other than local knowledge and some rudimentary maps. However, just over 500 years ago, at the beginning of the 16th century, these international trade routes did not even exist. Only due to the emergence of the small Iberian nation of Portugal as a maritime superpower were these connections to other parts of the world made possible. Through their daring voyages and navigational prowess, Portugal quickly established an empire for itself, stretching from Africa to Asia and South America. These maritime exploits not only fueled Portugal's wealth and astonishing rise to power, but also laid the foundation for the interconnected global economy that we benefit from today. But how did this relatively obscure nation on the edge of Europe emerge to forge an empire that would shape the course of history for centuries to come? This is the history of the Portuguese Empire.